head out and photobomb every once in a while.
I like that. Oh. Hi everybody, and welcome to my things to do. Today I'm taking you through my culinary travels through my Ancestry DNA. As you see, my wife is in the background photobombing me. Where are we going today, honey? Yeah.
Finland.
Yes, we're going to Finland today. That's part of my mother's heritage. Who knew? I thought I was just German and American black, but apparently I'm a little bit of a whole bunch of stuff, and Finland is one of them. That's in the 22% of my Eastern European heritage. And I'm making today, wait for it. How do we say that was again?
Finish.
No, Culinary
Tour through your DNA.
No, the name of the dish, honey. The name of the dish. What is it called? The Lohikatio? Wow.
I don't know.
Okay.
I can't remember.
We can't pronounce it, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry for anyone who's Finnish. I'm really, really sorry. But it's a traditional salmon soup, and so really I'm sorry, but I will put the name of it. I'll show it flashing here at the bottom. And for those who know the dish and know it well, I hope I do justice to it. So follow me. Well, you're already in my kitchen, so yeah, come over to the stove with me and let's get this going. So as you hear in my pot, I've got a tablespoon of butter already melted. I've got 2 leeks that I have cleaned. At the end of this video, there's a link to another video showing you exactly how to clean leeks if you've never done that before. We're going to go ahead and let, these are 2 leeks, we're going to let these cook on the stove for about 5 minutes to soften them up, and then add other ingredients. After about 5 minutes, when your leeks are softened, I'm going to add 6 1/3 cups of water. That was 2 cups already. And here is the 1/3. So I've got 6 1/3 cups of water in my pot now. And to the pot, we're now going to add the potatoes. You want to use 2 pounds potatoes cut into 1-inch cubes. In go my potatoes. There we go, that's in. Nice. Adding a bay leaf to this. And salt and pepper. I've added bay leaf, salt, and pepper. And we're going to let this simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring every once in a while before I add any of the salmon. This really cooks quickly, so you'll have dinner on the table within 30 minutes easy. Our potatoes and leeks have been cooking for about 15 minutes now. And so now we're going to add our salmon. It's 1 pound of salmon that's been cut into 1-inch cubes. Ooh, put that in the water, it starts to cook fast. Also, about 3 tablespoons of dill. Don't have any fresh dill, so I am going to use, I'll say about 2 tablespoons of dry dill. Heavy cream. Whoa. Got that in there. Stir this around. We're going to let this cook, stirring it every once in a while, for about another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add in another tablespoon or so of butter, just to make it even more rich. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that salmon and the potatoes and the leeks. It looks fantastic. You ready to taste some of this?
Yes, I am. It smells amazing.
It does smell amazing. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, that's so good. It's very light tasting.
Mm-hmm. Hot.
Very hot.
That was good.
I was like not so sure when it came to the cream and butter because I thought it would make it heavy, but no, not at all.
It's really good.
If I had like a piece of bread with butter on it, I think
Ooh.
that would be like, over the top on this.
Some buttered bread, yes.
Buttered bread.
A baguette.
Oh, yes.
What do the Finnish eat for bread?
I don't know. I will have to
Find
find out.
that out.
I'll have to find out. If you know the answer, comment below. Well, today, my things to do was to continue on my culinary journey through my Ancestry DNA. This is actually from my mother's side of the family. It was a Finnish meal, and I think we should go finish our meal.
Oh my God.
I couldn't help but do that.
Terrible.
In any case.
Are you finished now?
I'm finished now.
It's been finished.
I've
She
got,
was finished before she started.
I have 1% finish in me.
Now I'm going to go finish the soup. Thank you guys.
Thanks for joining me at my things to do. You know what? Traveling through my DNA through culinary means has been fantastic.
It's been fun. It's been a fun journey.
It has. Why don't you make that your thing to do too? Bye.
Bye.